Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with MrB and Anna. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps our channel grow. Thank you so much.
Yes, please click like, comment something nice, and subscribe so you never miss our English lessons. Today's episode is super helpful. We will learn daily conversations you must know to speak English naturally.
We will go slow. We will use simple words. We will talk like real people. And you will practice with us.
This lesson is long, friendly, funny, and full of real-life English. So get your tea or your coffee and relax.
Let's start. How to greet people.
Let's start with greetings. Greetings are the first words you say to people. They are very important.
Yes, if you want to speak English well, you must know how to greet people in different situations.
Let's practice slowly.
Morning greetings. Good morning.
Good morning.
Repeat after us, listeners. Good morning.
Good morning is for early hours, usually before 12 p.m.
Afternoon greetings.
Next one is good afternoon.
Say it slowly. Good afternoon.
This is for after 12 p.m. until around 5 or 6 p.m.
Evening greetings.
Then we have good evening.
Not good night. Good evening is a greeting. Good night is for saying goodbye.
Now some friendly greetings. Hello. Hi. Hey.
These are for friends, family, classmates, and everyday people.
Real-life conversation example.
I say, "Good morning, Anna."
And I say, good morning, Mr. B. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm great, thank you.
Very simple, very natural.
Listener practice.
Repeat after us. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Hello.
Well done.
Introducing yourself.
To make friends, you must know how to introduce yourself.
Yes, very simple English. Listen.
Basic introduction. My name is Mr. B.
My name is Anna.
What is your name?
Nice and easy.
Adding more details.
You can say, I am a student. I am from Cambodia. I like music. I like English.
These sentences help people know you better.
Real-life mini conversation. Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Mr. B. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Listener practice. Repeat after me. My name is...
Now say, nice to meet you.
Good job.
Polite words.
Now let's talk about polite English.
Polite words make you sound nice and friendly.
Important polite words.
Please.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry.
How to use polite words.
Example, please give me water.
Thank you.
If you want to pass someone, say, excuse me.
If you make a mistake, say, I'm sorry.
Listener practice. Repeat. Please.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
Perfect.
Small talk.
Small talk means short, simple conversation.
Small talk is friendly, easy talk. Very useful for daily life.
Common small talk questions.
How are you?
How's your day?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
Do you like this place?
Very easy. Real life small talk.
Hi, Mr. B. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. How's your day?
My day is busy, but good.
Nice.
Listener practice. Repeat. How are you?
How's your day?
Good job. Asking personal information.
You do not need to ask many questions, just simple ones.
Simple questions. Where are you from? What do you do? Do you have brothers or sisters? What is your hobby? Do you like English?
Very good for making friends.
Listener practice.
Repeat. Where are you from?
What do you do? Shopping English.
Let's go shopping. We will teach simple shopping English.
Useful phrases. How much is this? Do you have a bigger size? Where is the fitting room?
Very easy and very useful.
Shopping example. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It is $10.
Thank you. Asking for directions.
Sometimes you need to find a place, so you ask for directions.
Simple direction phrases. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bus station? How do I get to the supermarket?
Very simple questions.
Real conversation. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight, turn left, the bank is there.
Ordering food and drinks.
Food time. This is very common English.
Useful sentences. I would like a coffee, please. I want a sandwich. Can I have water?
Restaurant example. Hello, what would you like?
I would like a chicken soup, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a glass of water, please. Talking about likes and dislikes.
Likes and dislikes are easy.
Sentences. I like music. I like English. I don't like cold weather. I don't like spicy food.
Very simple.
Mini conversation.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I love coffee.
Do you like spicy food?
No. No, thank you. Too hot. Expressing simple needs and feelings.
These are important sentences.
Feelings. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm busy. I'm sick.
Needs. I need rest. I need help. I need water. I need sleep.
Example. Anna, I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's eat.
Saying goodbye.
At the end, you must say goodbye.
Different goodbye phrases. Goodbye. See you later. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
All friendly and natural.
Listener review. Let's review everything slowly.
First, greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello.
Second, introductions. My name is. Nice to meet you.
Third, polite words. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Fourth, small talk. How are you? Where are you from?
5th, shopping. How much is this?
6th, directions. Where is the?
7th, ordering food. I would like.
8th, likes and dislikes. I like, I don't like.
9th, feelings and needs. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I need help.
10th, goodbyes. See you later.
Thank you for learning with us. You did a great job today.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And listen again to practice more. Repetition helps learning.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.